In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix bank reconciliation mistakes in Xero. If you've matched a bank statement line to the wrong transaction, coded it to the wrong account, or simply need to correct the details, here's the cleanest way to fix it without breaking your bank feed or creating duplicates. Before you begin, have the correct details handy, like the contact name, the right account code, the description or reference you want to see on reports, and the correct tax treatment. Start by opening Xero and heading to the accounting menu. From there, choose Bank Accounts. Select the bank account that contains the mistake you want to correct. In that account, open the reconciled transaction that needs fixing. If you're not sure which one it is, look for the relevant date and amount to locate the line you reconciled incorrectly. With the transaction open, click Options, then choose Unreconcile. Confirm by clicking OK. This action safely removes the link between the bank statement line and the Xero transaction so you can redo it properly. It doesn't remove your bank statement line or affect your bank feed. It simply returns the item to the reconciliation screen so you can correct it. Next, navigate to Account Transactions if you need to move around the bank account page, and then open the Reconcile screen for this bank account. You'll now see the statement line waiting to be matched again. Select the line and click Add Details. This is where you'll correct the information so it posts to the right place. Enter the correct details carefully. Choose the appropriate contact. Add a clear description or reference so future you understands what this was for, and select the right chart of account code. Make sure the tax rate is accurate for your region and this type of transaction, and add any tracking categories your organization uses. The amount and date should align to the bank statement line. If you changed either previously, set them back to match the bank feed. Take a moment to review everything. Getting the coding and tax right here keeps your reports clean and saves time at month end. When you're satisfied, click Save Transaction. Xero will create the corrected transaction and match it to the statement line, marking it as reconciled again. Give the page a quick glance to confirm the line now shows as reconciled with the updated details. That's it. Mistake fixed. A final tip. Add a short note in the description explaining the correction for your audit trail, and avoid using remove and redo options unless you specifically intend to delete and recreate entries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.